Part A of this question asks to sketch the solution curve that passes through the points 3, -1, and 1, 2. So all we do is follow the lines on the solution curve, or the slope field. See, it guides you through the graph, and we just follow the lines. And when we do that for both points, we get solution curves that look like this. Part B asks to write an equation for the line tangent to the solution curve that passes through the point 1, 2. Alright, so since we know the differential equation of dy dx is x over y, we know that dy dx, or the slope, is equal to x over y, and they give us x and y, which is 1 and 2. So we can plug in that to get a slope of 1 over 2, or 1/2, and then we can plug that into our point slope equation, which is y minus y1 equals 1/2 x minus x1. And then we just plug in the points 1 and 2 into the equation. So we know that y is 2, so we do y minus 2 equals 1/2 x minus 1. And that's the equation for the line tangent to the solution curve. Now that we know the integrated equation is 1/2 y squared equals 1/2 x squared plus c, we can solve for c using the points the point that they gave us, 3, -1. We plug in -1 for y to get 1/2 -1 squared, and -1 squared is just 1, so 1 times 1/2 is 1/2, equals 1/2, and we plug in 3 for x, so 1/2 times 3 squared. 3 squared is 9, times 1/2 is 4.5, and then plus c. And now we subtract 4.5 from both sides to solve for c, so 1/2 minus 0.5 equals c, and that gives us -4. We plug this back into the original integrated equation that we got to get 1/2 y squared equals 1/2 x squared minus 4. Now we can multiply both sides by 2. And this will simplify out to y squared equals 2 times 1/2 is just 1, so that's x squared minus 4 times 2, which is 8. So y squared equals x squared minus 8. Take the square root of both sides. Therefore y is equal to square root of x squared minus 8. To find the domain for this equation, I just plugged it into my calculator, and I analyzed the graph to find the zeros. And as you can see, the graph domain is from x is less than -2.3 and x is greater than 2.83. And this is because for the equation, we have a square root of x squared minus 8, so all of the x values have to square to be greater than 8, so that it doesn't have a negative number in a square root, because that would be impossible. So when you square 2.83 or -2.83, you get a value of about 8, or a little bit greater than 8.